is the planet's ultimate game. The final of the 21st Football World Cup. Indeed, Croatia's centre-forward got the touch that mattered. Faded it in, Vashalko appeared round the back. Mandzukic can compete with Pogba. Came down for V. He has screamed it in! And the referee is choosing to look himself. What a call to have to make. Mbappe, Griezmann, Pogba! Pogba! For France, and possibly now the world! Oh, Lloris was caught on it by Mandzukic! Lloris with a moment of madness.
Back to Andy and Clive Tilsley.
Both of the two goalkeepers here had eventful seasons. Jasper Cillessen there on the right didn't get into the Ajax team until the end of September. With the first kick. Saved! Not a regular taker. Not confident. And Romero kept it out.
Well,
for a long time, the Messi slots home his spot kick. Arjen Robben will be next.
Well, all the jumping up and down and the flapping of the arms from Cillessen.
Done by Arjen Robben, and the two men who dominated all the pre-match chat have both scored.
Great pen.
Time for Cillessen to break his duck. Maxi Rodriguez.
It is France. It will be some can-can on the Champs-Élysées tonight. France are the champions of the world.